Did you know that certain engine additives can improve your fuel efficiency by as much as 20% and even add up to 100,000 miles to your engine's lifespan? In this video, we're breaking down 13 engine additives that actually deliver results and 5 you should avoid at all costs. Stick around till the end to discover one that's so harmful it could destroy your engine. Let's kick things off with the products that are worth your money. 1. Techron Concentrate Plus. First on the list is the popular Techron Concentrate Plus, a fuel system cleaner developed by Chevron. It's one of the rare additives endorsed by major car makers like GM and BMW, and widely praised by mechanics as well. The science checks out. Techron uses a powerful ingredient called polyethyramine, PEA, which has been shown to remove carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Drivers often report noticeable improvements in fuel economy, smoother engine performance, and fewer knocks. In fact, some users have seen mileage improve by up to 2 mpg. However, this additive works best in vehicles that regularly use low-quality fuel or have older engines with heavy buildup. Just make sure to follow the directions carefully. Precision matters when using any additive, especially the ones on this list. 2. ATS Chemical 505 CRF. Up next is ATS Chemical 505 CRF, a powerful fuel system treatment that's earned the endorsement of well-known mechanics like Scotty Kilmer. Similar to Techron, it contains PEA and is formulated to clean carbon deposits from the fuel injection system, combustion chambers, and valves. But what sets it apart is its compatibility with both gasoline and diesel engines, and it works on both port-style and direct fuel injectors. Yes, it's a bit more expensive, but many drivers report dramatic improvements. For instance, oil consumption in some vehicles was cut in half. On average, you might see a fuel efficiency boost of 1 to 3 mpg, or roughly 13% if you're tracking fuel costs. In addition, it improves throttle response, reduces engine noise, and smooths out idling, making it a solid choice for high-mileage vehicles. 3. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Generally, engine oil additives are more hype than help. They can clog passages, increase friction, or even contain abrasive particles. But Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer is a rare exception. This product is a very thick mineral oil designed to help older engines with worn-out components. It fills the gaps in loose bearing clearances, boosts oil pressure, reduces oil burn, and quiets engine noise. Its extreme thickness, more than 2,500 cst at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, makes it completely unsuitable for new engines, especially those with turbochargers or advanced valve timing systems. Using it in a modern car could do more harm than good. But for old engines that are on their last legs, this additive can extend life and prevent costly repairs if used correctly. 4. Lucas TB Zinc Plus. If you drive a classic car or an older engine with a flat tappet camshaft, this one is essential. Modern motor oils have drastically reduced zinc and phosphorus levels, also known as ZDDP, which older engines desperately need to prevent camshaft and lifter wear. Lucas TB Zinc Plus boosts these levels back up to what older engines were designed for, giving you added protection during startup and high-load situations. It's especially useful for hot rods, muscle cars, or older trucks that need a little extra help surviving the miles. But don't use it in modern engines, especially those with catalytic converters, as excess zinc can damage emission systems. 5. BGMOA Motor Oil Additive. Sludge buildup is one of the silent killers of engines, especially if you've been using budget oil or pushing your oil change intervals. BGMOA is like giving your engine oil a chemical upgrade. It stabilizes viscosity under extreme heat, helps prevent oil breakdown, and neutralizes harmful acids. Mechanics love it because it also helps restore compression in engines that are starting to lose performance. It won't fix a worn-out motor, but will delay problems from getting worse. If you're running high mileage or older cars, this one's a no-brainer. 6. Hotshot Secret Diesel Winter Anti-Gel. Winter can be brutal for diesel engines. When temperatures drop, diesel fuel begins to crystallize and gel, blocking fuel filters and starving your engine. This additive keeps the fuel flowing smoothly even in sub-zero temperatures, down to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit in some cases. But it's not just an anti-gel. It also improves cetane levels, lubricates injectors, and helps with cold starts. For truckers or diesel owners in cold climates, this is one additive you don't want to skip during winter prep. 7. Marvel Mystery Oil. This product has been around since the 1920s, and despite its mysterious name, its uses are pretty straightforward. Marvel Mystery Oil can be added to both your engine oil and fuel. In the oil system, it loosens and dissolves old sludge. In the fuel, it helps clean injectors and reduce carbon buildup on valves. It's not a deep cleaner like Tecron or Seafoam, but it's a gentle solution that works well over time, especially for older, high-mileage engines that need a little help starting smoother or running quieter. 8. Seafoam motor treatment. Seafoam is one of those jack-of-all-trades products. You can use it in gas or diesel, in the crankcase or the fuel tank, and even spray it into the intake if used properly. It breaks up carbon buildup, stabilizes fuel, and can stop light engine ticking caused by sticky lifters. Many people use it to revive engines that have been sitting for a while. It's not a miracle in a can, but it's definitely one of the most versatile and respected treatments for keeping engines clean over time. 9. Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment EDT. Today's ultra-low sulfur diesel, ULSD, lacks the lubricating qualities older diesel fuel had. That's where this additive shines. EDT improves lubricity, reduces wear in injectors and pumps, boosts cetane for better combustion, and even helps fuel economy. If you own a diesel truck or a work vehicle, this is one of the best daily use additives to protect your fuel system and improve efficiency, especially if you're using average quality diesel fuel. 10. Leaky Moly MOS2 Anti-Friction Treatment. This German-made additive uses tiny particles of molybdenum disulfide, MOS2, to create a protective layer on metal surfaces inside the engine. This dramatically reduces friction between moving parts, up to 50% in some cases. That means smoother operation, lower engine temperatures, and even slightly improved fuel economy. It's not recommended for brand new engines, but it works wonders for engines with some wear, especially in stop-and-go traffic or high heat environments. 11. Arch Oil AR90-100 Friction Modifier. This additive gained popularity among Power Stroke diesel owners for fixing the dreaded cold start injector stiction issue. AR90-100 bonds to metal surfaces and creates a slick, friction-reducing layer that helps your engine run smoother and quieter. It's especially effective in hydraulic systems like HEUI injectors, but also works well in differentials and gearboxes. Not just a treatment, this one can be a problem solver if you're dealing with injector issues or ticking noises. 12. Lubiguard Biotech Engine Protectant. This one flies under the radar, but delivers excellent results. Lubiguard contains a unique formula that improves oil flow at cold starts and stabilizes viscosity at high temperatures. It also reduces friction, wear, and sludge. It's a solid choice for modern engines, including those with variable valve timing, where clean oil and good flow are critical. If you want something that works silently in the background to extend engine life, this is it. 13. Ceratec by Leaky Moly. Ceratec is a ceramic-based friction reducer that's added directly to engine oil. What makes it unique is that it forms a long-lasting protective layer inside your engine, lasting up to 30,000 miles. This helps reduce metal-on-metal contact, cuts engine noise, and improves efficiency. It's especially helpful in high-mileage or high-performance engines, and unlike many oil additives, it won't thicken your oil or interfere with sensors.